Hey guys, how are you? So I scout your pictures and I know that you want a breast augmentation. However, your best option by far is to have a breast lift with an augmentation. The difference is that a breast augmentation requires a tiny little scar that I can put in the areola, underneath, or even in the armpit sometimes. However, you need a lift. If I just make your breast bigger, you're gonna have bigger but droopier breast. Not bueno. It won't look good. I've gotta lift them. In order to lift them, I gotta put scars. And these scars usually are the circle around the areola, vertical, and it's probably going to have an anchor type scar. I try to limit these scars as much as I can, but it is going to have more extensive scarring for the lifting, but you're going to have a way better shape of the breast. If not, I'm going to repeat it, you're just going to have bigger, droopier breast, and that's not bueno. So you definitely need the lift. What I tend to combine my lifts with also is taking liposuction of what I call the lateral part of the chest, the axilla area, and then I like to put a little bit of fat underneath the skin to try to improve the texture of it and to help me shape the breast. I can get a much prettier, much better shape to the breast by doing the fat grafting because I'm able to contour the outer part of it and get you a nicer result. So, you really need the breast lift with an augmentation, whether I use an implant or I use fat, that's something we can discuss. But in your particular case, I think you need to have that lift. Just doing the augmentation won't look great, but hey, I'm here to help you out. I'm here to give you whatever you want, just as long as you recognize that if you're not happy, it's gonna need another surgery. Not bueno. Bye-bye.